Okay, we're talking about the fundamental theorem of algebra. That's actually our entire goal for this chapter, is working with it. What it's saying is if we have a polynomial, such as the one above us, if we can set that polynomial equal to 0 and the degree is greater than 0. So our degree in this one up here, as you can see, it's 3, so it's greater than 0. Then we have to have at least one solution. Okay, so if you can set it equal to 0, then we have at least one solution. Now, if we really get into this, because this is the nth degree, this equation up there, the degree of the equation tells us how many solutions there is going to be. But you have to remember, some of them are going to be repeated solutions, and you can have non-zero solutions. Let's look at this first equation up here, and I'm going to tell you the first solution. The first solution is going to be, it's going to be 2. Okay, so I'm going to take 2 out of here. Let's use synthetic division, get rid of it. -2, -5, and 10. I drop it. Sorry, I'm just multiplying this here. And yep, it went out. I'm left with x squared minus 5. Okay, so I have a solution. X is equal to 2. And I have a solution, x squared minus 5. If I set that equal to 0, I get x squared equals 5. So x is equal to root 5. And x is equal to plus or minus root 5. Anytime you have a root, you got to put a plus or minus sign in front of it. So there is one solution there and 2 solutions there. So that told me, because its degree was 3, I had to be able to have 3 solutions. At the bottom of the first page of your notes, it has all of these equations here, this chart. We look at it, you can see from here the degree is the highest exponent, it's 1. So our degree on the first one is 1, so it should have one solution, okay? The second one, its degree is 2, it should have 2 solutions. This one, it's 3, so it should have 3 solutions. Then we can go through, if we graph them, we can figure out exactly how many solutions there are. Because the first one is linear, it's in slope-intercept form, it's going through -1 and it has a slope of 2. It's going up 2 over 1. We could see it's a linear equation. It has one solution, so it works. The next one, x squared plus 2 is 0. It is a parabola and we're moving it up 2. There we go. We did a transformation, just going up 2. How many solutions does it really have? It has 0 real solutions. Let's put a real above that. The number of real solutions like that. Okay? So I took the third equation down here and I graphed it on my calculator. It should have 3 real solutions. What the third one's graph actually looks like, it goes through 1 here and -1. It comes here and it has a bump at -1, and then it goes through +1. So how many solutions does it truly have? It only has 2 solutions. This is how many it should and could have possibly, but it only has 2 actually.